Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive subscribers and subs, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, today I have 11 of these things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 11 of these, and the craft items that I'm working with currently are in these 11 little crystal iris containers. And there's something, that's the new stuff right there. I am going to take all the stuff out of these containers and try my best to organize it. Because right now, I have to look through each and every one of these containers if I want something. So I want to do a little bit better job of organizing. And I wished I had it. I wished I knew how to do the fast forward thing, but I don't. So it's going to have to be done in parts. So I'm showing you this part now. And the next part I'll show you is probably after I've dumped everything out on the bed. And then after that, I'll probably show how I put everything together, maybe in stacks or something, or in piles. And then how to get it back in these organizers. Okay? And I actually started to not do this, but I figure, why not? I just hope it can help somebody else. I don't know, but I just know I need to do it. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, everything is out and on the bed. The stuff right here is paper and paper stacks. There's a few other things like stickers and this dangle that's in here, but this is mostly paper stacks, and my, what are these things? My planners that I'm not using right now. And it's undated, so it's cool. There are the little empty plastic keepers here. And this is all of the stuff that was in these. So there are different things in here. I got adhesives in here, stickers in here. Look at these labeling pockets, and they're almost gone. Jewelry making supplies are in here. Washi tape, scissors, this little roller thing, screwdriver, these little things right here. Like I said, all types of adhesives, things that I got in swaps. Yeah, so a bunch of stuff. These right here are some gift cards that I got during Christmas from Starbucks. I always pick up several just in case I find a good tutorial on people using these, and and their, like, as gift giving or some type of craft. So anyway, I'm going to try to sort through this stuff, and as soon as I make an attempt at getting it sorted, kind of sorta, I will get back with you guys, okay? And this is the containers, and this is the stuff that has to be sorted. Yeah. Okay guys, I am done putting everything back into the cases. Excuse me. And this is not all the stuff that I'm working with right now. This is just the stuff that were in those 10 cases. I have some other stuff that I'm working on that's out on the table, but I'm going to go through this stuff because this is all the stuff that was actually in the cases. So I reorganized it, and I'm hoping that it'll make sense to me. This is these two cases are actually my TN cases, and this right here has paper that I can use as scrap with the TNs. I put the numbers for the, like the, oh god, the dates in here, so those things would be in one place. This right here is my Christmas and just arbitrary paper pads in there, so I probably won't go in there too much. This right here is stuff that's related to Christmas and actually Halloween, but it's not all necessarily Christmas, because I do have some other stuff in here like these, like this twine and stuff like that, and some packaging. So it's not all related to Christmas, but the majority of it is, and stuff that I won't be using right away. This right here has nothing but adhesives in it. All adhesives. Double-sided stick tape. I got this glue pen on a swap, which I absolutely love. I got some of these glue dots in a swap as well, which are some of my favorites from Dollar Tree. Love them, love them, love them. Can't say enough. And some double-sided, what is that? That dimensional tape in there. The foam tape. Okay, and this right here, I have some tools in here. I have a couple of punches. Well, one punch. This thing right here from We Are Memories, it was on clearance at Michael's. I got the envelope punch in there, and I have my sprocket. I think that's called a sprocket. What is the Polaroid zip? I got that with the refills and some laminate sheets, some thermal laminate sheets under there. This right here was actually the catch-all. Everything else that didn't go in something else wound up in here. And a lot of this stuff is like jewelry making stuff. This right here I got on the swap. I absolutely love it. And it's going to go on my bag as soon as I get a chance to put it on there. But a lot of this stuff was stuff that I got I'm sorry, that was the catch-all and didn't have a real place to be. But now it lives here. And I'm using that stuff as well because I was making some dangles for some TNs. This right here is the majority, these booklets right here for TNs, and several of these things right here that I use to make my December daily. I have these two, they're not candle holders, the little tea light holders, and it's a couple of other little things under there. To make a DIY, what was it, DIY hot glue gun holder. The other piece, the glass cutting board, is under there as well. This right here is holding all three of my planners, undated. I think one of them may be dated, but I know two of them are undated, so I just keep them in there. And this one is this is going to be the one that I'm going to use to do my recipe mini album. Even though I got that glitter paper in there, yeah, they really didn't have any other place to live, but I know I'm not going to be in here for a minute. So as soon as I get a chance, this will be the first thing I pull out because I want to do another recipe mini album. Okay, whew. Okay guys, that's it. All 11 of my 12 by 12 cases have been reorganized and hopefully will serve their purpose. Alright guys, I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments are truly appreciated. Come back anytime and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye guys.